everyone, and welcome back to another mukbang. Today is a low carb breakfast pizza. Welcome back, everyone. Good to see you. And as you see here, yes, that's right. I said a low carb breakfast pizza. Yum. I have got, I believe, 8 carbs here because I have got the wrap itself. I'm only using half, and I don't use a lot of these wraps. Like I said, especially when I was in the beginning of my keto, I didn't use a lot of these wraps. But now that I'm in maintenance mode, I have them a little bit more often, maybe once or twice a month. And then I'll go months without them again. I just like to use the pack up. But anyways, so I've got the wrap here that I've put olive oil on, and I put it in the oven for about 3 minutes, pulled it out, and then of course my cooked eggs that I've got here and my cooked turkey bacon, I dressed up my wrap here. I took just 1 tablespoon of Alfredo sauce. I've got egg on it, turkey bacon on it, green onion on it, and mozzarella cheese. And the total carb count on it would be around 8. So, and I'm just having half the wrap, like I said, and the other half I will have either tomorrow morning or my husband will eat it. But I did take a picture of them prior. I made one for him and one for me. So, yeah, you'll get to see that. So this is more of a low carb meal, but I am having it for breakfast. So 8 carbs for breakfast is okay. Even when you're doing keto, it's okay. You should try to keep it around 6. But because I've got the whole day to burn this off, I'm going to be okay with that. So let's get eaten. Doesn't this look good? I am super excited about this. And I will put down in the box again exactly how I made it so you know the ingredients and the amounts. That helps you guys out so you know how much it is. Doesn't that look good? Yum. That's good. And then I'm just finishing up my cup of coffee here. And I just got my water too. I filled up one of my Powerade bottles with water. This is really good. Sorry, I was looking to see where my Alfredo sauce was. I'm like, well, didn't I put Alfredo sauce on mine? That's how low of the amount I used. But then I seen it kind of just baked into the wrap when I was cooking it. Now I am doing breakfast, so not always will I do a movie with it. I just decided not to do a movie today. Just keep this one a little bit of a shorter video. But when I made it, I wasn't even planning to even do a video. And then after making this, I thought, I got to do a video on this. Everybody's got to see this because it looks so good. Like I said, there'll be pictures at the end because I took pictures of it. Love my coffee. I'm drinking it out of my husband's Christmas mug. His favorite movie, Christmas Vacation. Is his favorite Christmas movie. Trying to slip away from me. But yeah, like I've told you guys before, sorry, I don't mean to always be blowing my nose or whatever, but I have allergies, so my nose is always running. I guess I gotta catch it. But no, like I said, I don't really eat these a lot. And in the beginning, when I was losing weight on keto, these I rarely ate. Probably in that whole year and a half or so, or a year and 4 months I was losing weight, I probably only ate 4 wraps, 4 of them. Now, since I've been in maintenance mode for about 6 to 9 months, I've had 4 or 5 of them. So it's a little bit more often I'll eat them, but still very rare. Just because even though you can deduct the carb off of, or the fiber off of it and become a net carb, our bodies in ketosis don't understand all that when it's so high of carb and so high of fiber and stuff like that. Our bodies in keto don't understand that now a low carb person could do that. So that's why I usually will call it low carb then, a low carb meal, which is still okay. to eat, and you can still have it on keto, but just very rarely. But it gives you an idea for another meal. You could have that for dinner if you wanted to. People have had breakfast for dinner or your lunch, but it's so yummy. And if you wanted to make it, you know, more of a keto style, then you could just use your, you know, your crust as like a cheese crust, and I've told you about that before. Or you could do like a cauliflower crust. There's different types of keto crust that you can make to be your, you know, your crust to make your breakfast pizza. But a half a wrap is plenty for me. And I don't have a green on the side with this one. I was going to do a little bit of broccoli on the side, but I always get so full. I don't eat a lot for breakfast. Breakfast is one meal that's hard for me to get a lot in, but this will be enough. So what I'm going to do is like mid before lunch or whatever, I'm going to have myself some broccoli. And I do get my veggies in sometimes when it's breakfast. This morning I wasn't super hungry. I don't know why, but I was, and then I don't know, I kind of lost a feeling of being really hungry. And then when I seen the pizza, it looked really good. I'm like, well, that looks good. But as far as, sorry about that, I got knocked off. I got a phone call coming in. Always got something going on, right? And any minute, one of my alarms are going to go off, so they're going to cut me off again. But as I was saying, I always tell you to get your greens in with each meal. If you can't get it in that meal, then try to eat it throughout the day. Just try to get your 6 servings in a day. 6 or more. And that looks so good. So yummy. So nice and sunny out today. Here in Minnesota. Yeah. Seems like it's a little bit of a warmer day today, maybe about 45 or 50. I don't know, I haven't been outside yet. Haven't even checked the temp, but it looks warm. And I know 50 degrees ain't warm, but for a Minnesota person, it is. I actually have my window open. It doesn't even feel cold in here, so. So, anyways, that is the end of this mukbang. I know it's a short one. Sorry about that, but I just wanted to share this with you and figured you guys would enjoy that. So you have another keto idea or low carb idea. And I will link down in the box how I made it and everything. Other than that, I hope all of you have a wonderful day today and everybody is safe and happy. God bless all of you. Take care, and I'll see you all in my next video.